Give her, Hunter.
Nice, one of the better ones.
Hunter's got one. Sean's being an idiot. Sean's being. How's she feel?
Pretty good. Oh shit, digging line.
Is it a fish?
Here. Double header, man.
Double header. Tyler, you got it?
Mine's almost in.
Okay, Hunter's is in.
Oh,
Up.
This is a big fish.
It's a big fish.
I don't know how to.
Okay, hold on. Okay, you got it? Okay, I'm gonna get Hunter's in. I'm gonna get Hunter's in, okay? Yeah.
Ooh, that's a good one.
Yeah, Hunter's got a good one here, maybe.
Oh,
You wanna grab it? Just empty the pliers out.
this is one of the cleaner ones
This
I've
is a
seen.
heavy fish.
That's a heavy fish. You got this, Leo? Oh, that's a big one. That's a nice one. Oh, whatever. It's basically in.
Yeah, just grab his
Just-
tail and pull it in, dude.
Yeah, just grab it. Here, I got it.
Why is this like twisting?
You wanna go film?
Yeah, well.
That's a good fish. That's a nice one.
On a walleye rod too.
I threw him on there. Was it a fish?
This is a fish. There's no snag, that's for sure.
Little rod action going on here.
I can't do nothing with this guy. Oh, it's just a nice big cat, I think. Oh my crap. Hang on, Sean. Don't release him. Let's take a double header picture.
Got one over here.
One right there.
Beauty cat.
Tyler, you're still.
Tyler's still fighting.
Hey, Leo, you have a tape measure?
No, I don't.
Okay,
Oh, he's got a cat.
we'll just hold them up to the rod.
Who said this is a slow day?
Nicer one, Tyler?
It's decent, yeah.
Not a slow day anymore.
Yeah. Double header, big cats.
That's a nice.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Ooh. Oh shit. That's a line.
I can't bring him up anymore.
Can't bring him up anymore?
There. It's putting a lot of stress on my line, Sean.
I got him.
Okay, cool. Oh, nice. Sweet.
Double header.
Double header.
May need the pliers. Go grab the pliers.
Okay. They'll get nice.
That's a beauty.
Two of them?
Two.
I don't know. Leo had to.
I think mine looks heavier.
They'd be on the ground somewhere. Tyler, I got it. Yeah. There you go.
Oh, that's a big catfish.
Pull them up, boys.
Yeah, yours.
Got him. Two nice cats.
Beauties.
Nice. Right on, boys.
All right.
Yeah.
Take a picture of that.
Yeah.
Living the dream.
Yeah.
Double header cats. Let's release them.
Fantastic day so far.
Here. And yours is gone, and Hunter's is gone.
Woo! Woo! Let's go catch another.
What's up, Leo?
Just chilling lock pot. We fought.